Hi everyone! Today I'm trying out one of the most talked about jigsaw puzzles among puzzlers right now. It's the Braintree Games 500-piece metallic puzzle. I actually picked this up from Hobby Lobby, and honestly, the design caught my eye instantly. There's just something about it. It felt elegant, almost like a piece of art, even before opening it. So, let's unbox it together. It comes in this neat little Ziploc bag, and inside there's a beautifully printed puzzle poster. The paper feels different, almost premium to the touch. And there's also a review card included. Okay, let's talk about the puzzle pieces. Because the moment I touched them for the first time, I was honestly in awe. I wasn't expecting that feeling at all, but they instantly felt different. These are probably the most luxurious puzzle pieces I've ever felt. They're thick, super sturdy, and have this really premium finish to them. Not flimsy, not bendy, just solid and satisfying to hold. As always, I started by separating the edge pieces first, just building the frame step by step, and then grouping similar colors into little piles. And that's when I really started noticing the details. This puzzle has this rich metallic foil finish, and when the light hits it, it actually shines. Every single piece is a random cut, too. No two pieces feel the same. Different shapes, different sizes. It keeps things interesting the whole time. The pieces fit so well that once they connect, they almost hold on to each other. I even tried lifting bigger sections just to test it, and it still didn't fall apart. That's when I realized how precise the cut and quality really is. By the time it started coming together, it honestly felt more like a luxury experience than just a regular puzzle. And the final look? It's genuinely display-worthy, like something you'd actually frame and hang up. It also makes such a good gift, especially if you know someone who loves puzzles. And the best part is, it's easily available at places like Hobby Lobby, Menards, and more. For the quality and the experience, I'd say it's definitely good value for money. So, if you're a puzzler, you might want to grab yours soon.